What if Lincoln brought back the legendary Continental name and transformed it into a breathtaking flagship for a completely new generation? Imagine a luxury sedan with the elegance of classic American design, the commanding presence of a modern flagship, and futuristic hybrid technology designed for a new era. This is the 2027 Lincoln Continental Mark III LS700H, imagined as a bold futuristic vision of what a next-generation Continental could become. Welcome back to Scout Automobile 1. Today we're taking a closer look at this incredible futuristic Lincoln, exploring its exterior design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, hybrid performance, comfort, and the features that could make this sedan one of the most exciting American luxury cars ever imagined. Keep in mind that this vehicle and its specifications represent a futuristic concept style's interpretation and are not officially confirmed Lincoln production specifications unless Lincoln announces them. Starting from the front, the Continental Mark III LS700H could feature a wide, sophisticated grille with an illuminated Lincoln emblem positioned in the center. Extremely slim LED headlights could stretch toward the sides, creating a distinctive lighting signature and giving the sedan an unforgettable presence at night. The hood could be long, sculpted, and elegant, while smooth aerodynamic surfaces could help the vehicle move through the air efficiently. Lincoln could focus on clean lines, premium details, and sophisticated proportions instead of excessive aggressive styling. Moving toward the side, the long wheelbase could create a limousine-inspired silhouette while providing generous cabin space. A sleek roofline could flow smoothly toward the rear, while flush door handles, frameless windows, aerodynamic mirrors, and large premium alloy wheels could give the sedan a futuristic character. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar could connect the taillights, creating a distinctive nighttime signature. Lincoln lettering could stretch across the rear section, while the bumper could remain clean and elegant with carefully integrated aerodynamic details. Step inside, and the Continental could feel more like a private luxury lounge than an ordinary sedan. Premium leather, open-pore wood, brushed metal, soft-touch materials, and customizable ambient lighting could surround the passengers. A large digital display could combine navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and connectivity into one advanced interface. The driver could receive a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a large head-up display, showing important information directly in their line of sight. An advanced voice assistant could allow drivers to control navigation, music, climate, calls, and other functions using natural voice commands. Comfort could be one of the Continental's greatest strengths. The front seats could feature heating, ventilation, massage functions, memory settings, and multiple electric adjustments. Rear passengers could enjoy executive-style reclining seats, generous legroom, individual climate controls, entertainment screens, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. Now comes the most exciting part, the LS700H powertrain. For this futuristic interpretation, imagine a sophisticated hybrid system combining a powerful gasoline engine with high-output electric motors. The electric motors could deliver instant torque. The gasoline engine could provide sustained performance during longer journeys. A hypothetical powertrain could target around 600 to 700 horsepower. Although this figure remains speculative, intelligent all-wheel drive could distribute power between the wheels depending on road and traction conditions, providing strong acceleration and improved stability. Different driving modes could allow the driver to customize the vehicle's personality. Comfort mode could focus on a smooth and quiet ride. Sport mode could provide sharper responses, while an intelligent hybrid mode could automatically balance gasoline and electric power. An advanced adaptive air suspension could continuously monitor road conditions and adjust damping to deliver a smooth and controlled ride. The Continental could also feature advanced safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking assistance, and a 360-degree camera system. Over-the-air software updates could keep compatible vehicle systems updated, allowing Lincoln to improve certain digital functions without requiring a traditional service visit. Ultimately, the 2027 Lincoln Continental Mark III LS700H, as imagined here, could represent an exciting combination of classic American luxury and futuristic automotive technology. It could bring back the emotional character of the Continental while giving it the technology, comfort, and hybrid performance expected from a modern flagship. Of course, exact pricing, horsepower, battery capacity, electric range, acceleration, and production specifications remain speculative unless Lincoln officially confirms such a model. But if Lincoln ever created a flagship with this combination of luxury, technology, and hybrid performance, it could become a serious competitor in the premium luxury sedan market. So, what do you think? Should Lincoln bring back the Continental with a powerful hybrid system like this? And would you choose it over a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, Audi A8 or Lexus LS? Let us know your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this futuristic look at the 2027 Lincoln Continental Mark III LS 700h, make sure you subscribe to Scout Automobile 1 for more futuristic cars, luxury vehicles, concept designs, advanced automotive technology, and next-generation vehicle stories. Thanks for watching Scout Automobile 1. Stay tuned for the next incredible automobile, and we'll see you in the next video.